The first thing I'm going to do now that I've activated my Winwin account is customize my Webstack. And the Webstack is the tiny little website that's live right away on the front end for your supporters and friends to go visit. But I want it to look exactly how I want it to look. So in this case, I'm going to start with Carte Blanche, which is our most basic theme, and I'm going to customize it by adding a background image. In this case, I have a small square image and the background is bigger than that, so I'm going to repeat the background image as a tile. So I want to make some more design changes, so I'm going to go back to the Design Center, and I'm going to pick slightly different colors. So in this case, I want my ship to look like it's floating on a white background, so I'm going to change my heading background color to white, and if I knew the white color, I could type it in, as some of you I'm sure do, but I don't, so I just go as close to white as I can. And then for the shade, which is what we call the color block next to images, I'm going to pick up sort of the orange color from the stars. Okay, so now I'm going to add some content to my Webstack. So the only tool I chose for this initiative was to accept donations. If you had also chosen auctions and tickets, you would see navigation links here for auctions and tickets, but in this case it's donations. So I am going to add a right photo image. You'll note there's the shade color that I chose. I'm going to click to change the image. I'm going to browse my desktop. I'm going to have Chewbacca up here. There's Chewbacca. At this point, I don't want this content that we started out with, so I'm just going to exit out and it's gone. I'm going to put the mission of my foundation right here. I'm going to copy and paste it, and I think I want it to look a little bigger than that, so I'm going to highlight this text. And in this case, I don't think the gray is showing up well enough, so I'm going to highlight the whole thing, and I'm just going to quickly change the color to black. And here we go. So there's our Star Wars Webstack. If people want to donate, they can see the donation page, and in this case, I'm going to tell them why they're donating. I'm going to save that block. And I had one other thing I wanted to know from the people who are donating, and so I'm going to add a question here, and that is a multiple choice question block. And the question is, who is your favorite Star Wars character? Okay, so I just want to show you that while you're editing your Webstack, it shows you your URL right here, and we can go and visit it live right away. As soon as you do it, it's live. Here's our Webstack. If we click on Chewy, we go to the donation page. If we click back home, we go home. If we click on donate, we go to the donation page. That's it. You can process secure payments right away.